Chapter 5. The Big Catch. Santiago is weak and tired. His back hurts. His hands are sore and bleeding. But he does not give up. The fish begins to swim in small circle. It is getting tired too. Now is the time, Santiago says. Slowly he pulls the line in. The marlin comes closer to the boat. Santiago holds the line with all his strength. Sweat runs down his face. His arms shake. The fish jumps again. Water flies everywhere. You are a great fish, Santiago says. But I must catch you. He grabs his harpoon. When the marlin comes close, Santiago puts all his power into one strong throw. The harpoon hits the fish. The marlin jumps, then falls. It is still. Santiago has won. He ties the fish to the side of his small boat. The fish is longer than the boat. It shines silver in the sun. Thank you, fish, he says. You gave me a great fight. Santiago is happy, but also very tired. Now he must go home. He starts to sail back. But then he sees a shark. The shark smells the blood from the marlin. It swims fast toward the boat. No! Santiago cries. He takes his harpoon and waits. The shark comes close. Santiago hits it hard. The shark dies, but more sharks are coming. I will fight them, Santiago says. I will fight until the end.
To be continued.